Everyone, welcome back to the video, and today we'll be discussing how you can screen record on iPhone 16e or in iOS 18.1.2 or 3. What you need to do is you need to swipe down from the right corner of your phone. From here you need to swipe down like this, and a screen will this like come up, and now you see that there are option of a positive sign here. You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will show you a screen like this, and there's an add a control option here. You need to tap over it, and now it will show you the controls you can add to your swipe down menu. So as you see that there is a screen recording built-in option within an iPhone, what you need to do is just tap on this, and it will automatically come into your screen menu like this. Now I have already done it, so I don't need it. So as for now, I'm clicking over it, and now just by tapping over it, it will start a timer and start recording your screen in no time and store your data into your photos. Now you can, once you have done anything you like, you now want to stop the video, just tap on it, and you just need to stop the video and it will save to your photos. So that's how you can actually screen record on your iPhone 16e. I hope this video helps you out in screen recording your phone for anything you are doing. Until next video, bye bye.